is actually the first video I'm filming this year. Wow. Today I will be testing out some new makeup that I have. I have like 4 or 5 products, mostly drugstore, that I'll be testing out for you guys today. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then please keep on watching. So the first product that I want to test out today is the Colourpop Dream Street eyeshadow palette. This one is the collaboration with Kathleen, who is my favorite, one of my favorite. She's probably one of my top 3 favorite YouTubers. So I had to get this palette, aside from the fact that it's gorgeous and I can't open it. Yeah, maybe I should just open from the bottom here. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's got a lot of beautiful shades, and I don't even know what I'm gonna do yet, but you know, let's it's so sad knowing there's still no mirror in here though. I figured that once they came out with a palette that actually had a mirror, all of their other palettes would have a mirror as well, but this one doesn't, so that's kind of disappointing. It's not really Kathleen's fault, but you know, I think Colourpop should make it like a staple that in all their palettes there should be a mirror. I mean, that's just me. Zoom you guys in for a bit, but not too close. So I'm gonna start with the shade Stardust on my eyes, and I'm just gonna place that on my crease. I've already primed my lids with some concealer and some powder. And I'm using this Lisa Frank brush that I just got. This is also my first time using this brush, but it's so freaking cute. With that same brush, I'm just gonna dip into this shade over here called Water Bearer. And I'm just placing that on my crease as well, just to give it a little more definition. So I've been doing my eyebrows differently since 2018. Like, I've been doing it the more natural way. Like, all I really do is just fill in the bald spots and I'm good to go. Like, that's been my 2018 eyebrow change, I guess. I mean, have you guys been doing something different with your makeup this year? Let me know. But yeah, I guess that's what I left in 2017. Like, 2017 was the year of bold brows, and now I'm just going for more of like a natural look. Taking another brush, this is the BH Cosmetics 8. I got it in a set, and I'm just gonna drag that shade downwards over here. I think I want to give it some more definition, so I'm gonna take the shade Sweet Dreams as well. Oops, what am I doing? I'm gonna take the shade Sweet Dreams as well. I'm placing that on top of it. And then I'm gonna take some, just like a tiny bit of Moony, I think. Yeah, Moony over here. Isn't the struggle so real when you have really small eyes? I'm gonna take the shade Shooting Star over here, and I'm gonna take that with a brush first. Even with a brush, it's already pigmented. So I feel like if I use my finger now, isn't that gorgeous though? Wow, so much pigment in this palette. I cannot believe it. I think this is gonna be like my new go-to palette. The shade Spark over here, and I'm just gonna place it as a topper. Okay, I'm not exactly sure if anything happened. Okay, and then we're gonna go back in with the red shade called Sweet Dreams again. Okay, so let's continue. I've already put on foundation and set my face. So for the under eyes, I'm taking the shade Water Bearer again, and I'm just placing that on my lower lash line. The shade Moony again, and I'm just gonna place that closer to my lash line. So I've already set my face with powder. Now let's head over to the next product that I want to try, and that is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I'm also going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour and Highlight brush that they came up with, and I'm just gonna go and dip into these two shades over here, which is Shadow Play and Sombre. Oh sorry, I mean Shadow Play and Subconscious. Contour. So I had this before, but I feel like I applied it wrong because I applied it like directly on top of my skin after I had just sprayed setting spray on without anything as a base. So that's why I didn't like it before. But right now I think I'm kind of seeing why there's a hype around this, and I think it's actually a very nice contour palette. I'm gonna bronze up my face real quickly. Again, not a new product, but I'm just gonna use that banana powder to sort of like chisel my face. So this banana shade here, it's called Lyric. So for highlight, so one of them is the Gimme More palette by Colourpop, which I know isn't being sold anymore. It's phased out, but I haven't tried any of Colourpop's palette highlighters, and I know that they're coming up with another one. But I also want to try out the NYX Bright Idea highlighter, and I'm not really sure which of the two I want. It's still brand new, obviously. Maybe I'll go in with this first. This is in the shade Chardonnay Shimmer. So this is what it looks like. There, that's beautiful. Yeah, this looks so glowy. I mean dewy glowy. Like, this looks so good. Okay, on top of that, I want to try the I Like Your Face palette. I'm gonna mix these two shades together. I'm just gonna place that on top. Maybe I'll try it on my nose so I can see how it goes. Yeah. So on my nose, that's what it looks like without the NYX highlighter under. But this is what it looks like on top of the NYX highlight. And I am definitely like so glowy right now. I can't. For my brow bone, I'm just gonna take this shade called Elfish from the palette. Okay, let's go for the lips. Of course, for the lips, I also have Kathleen's bundle here with me, and this is the Dream Team bundle. So it has 3 Colourpop liquid lipsticks. One is a glossy lip, one is a satin lip, and one is a matte lip. Yeah. Which one should I try today? Or should I swatch all of them? Should I? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. So this shade is called Dreamy. This gloss is called Moonchild, which is very, very light on me. I don't think it's my color. Okay, and this last one is called Rever. I have no idea how to explain it. I took French class before, but we've never encountered that word. So, Rever. I don't know. That is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. My bra keeps showing up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!